Hey little monsters, and welcome back to my channel. We are starting off our week using the Yum Box Panino. This past weekend we actually went to go have some dim sum. Comment down below, let me know if you guys love dim sum and what is your favorite dish here. This is one of my favorite and I introduced it to my son and he now loves it too, which is so perfect because now we can order more of it. But these are the roast pork buns. This is like the sweet bread bun on the outside, roast pork on the inside. So I actually gave him 2 of these. And then I have here some pistachios. I gave him a Ferrero Rocher, just candy for dessert. I have some multivitamins here in the center, a clementine that's peeled up, and then I'm also just going to give him a package of Pringles to go with that. For snack, we are using the Yum Box snack container. In this one, I have here some salami slices, I have some cucumber, and then I have some crackers here. So that's what he is bringing for snack. He's gonna have his regular thermos of milk partially frozen, 1 of water. That is what he's bringing to school today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. So for lunch today, we're using our Bento Kids Pop. Inside, I made a sandwich, so it's a little bit snug in here, but I love the way that it looks in the box when I cut it in this direction. So I have 2 pieces of bread. I have some turkey, some cheese, some lettuce, and then I added some pesto sauce on both sides. We love pesto sauce. This is like my new obsession to like put it as a spread in sandwiches. I have here some chips because you can't have a sandwich without chips, in my opinion. And then I have a container here with his multivitamins, and then I have some blackberries. I also gave him some Pocky Sticks for dessert, and these are the chocolate covered biscuits. So that is what he's bringing for lunch. For snack time, we're going with the Bento Kids snack container. In there, I have a clementine, and then I have some dehydrated apple chips. These are the ones from Bear. Then I have his thermos of water, and then 1 of milk partially frozen. That is what he's bringing to school today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one. Bye. Good morning, guys. So for lunch today, we're using our Yum Box original, and we're going really snacky today. I made a box. I don't consider this like a charcuterie box. I usually do if there's like the cheese and the meat and the crackers, which this does have, but I don't know. Something about this is more like a throw together meal for me. So I have here some salami slices, some cooked grilled chicken here. I have some pita chips here, and then I just gave him some Laughing Cow cheese, which he loves. So I gave him 2 of those triangles. And then I have some grapes, and then his vitamins here. I'm also going to give him a snack pack. These are mini pretzels with peanut butter inside. Not sure if he's going to like that, but I'm just going to give that to him as extra for lunch. And then for snack time, we're using a Sistema container today. I have in here, these are blueberry muffin tops. This is like a cake mix box that I batched up for the weekend for us to eat during the week. So this is gonna be like his little breakfast thing here. And then I have a clementine that's peeled up. So that is what he's bringing to school. I'm gonna give him 2 more thermoses of water today, and we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Happy Friday, little monsters. We are at the end of our school lunch week today. I'm using the Bento Kids, and inside our Bento Kids, I have something fun, but something experimental as well. I just have a sandwich, so it's pretty basic. I cut the sandwich into 4 pieces, and then cut that into another 4. So I basically made 4 little small sandwiches. I did a mixture though. I have here, this is Nutella, so this is pretty basic. My son loves this, but this is marshmallow. And I myself love peanut butter and marshmallow fluff together. I was gonna combine these together, but I was worried that he wouldn't like it, so I decided to separate them, and then it actually looks really cute in the box. So I have those sandwiches there for him. I have the clementine peeled up. I have some little mini tomatoes here, his multivitamins here in the center, and then I just decided to give him for dessert a Twix bar and a Kit Kat bar. These are still left over from Halloween. I'm also going to give him a bag of potato chips. So this is just sour cream and onion. So that is what he's eating for lunch. For snack time, I have here our Bento Kids snack box. And inside that, I just have these cheese and chive crackers. And I have some salami slices. So that is what he has for snack time. And then since it is Friday, I'd like to give him a special drink. He's asking for apple juice today. And then I have his thermos of water. That is what he's bringing to school. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do put out weekly school lunches. You can also follow me at Little Monster Eats on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific week. And please comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Are there certain themes that you want to see? You know, any kind of ideas that you want to throw out that you want me to make so you can see how that turns out in our meals. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm starting to run out of ideas since I've been doing these for so many years. And I feel like I always just kind of go back to what we always make. So let me know, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a monster-ific week. Bye.